Looking for your next lake getaway? This home is unlike any other because it is built directly into the hillside overlooking a private 12-acre lake. Welcome to Wander Lakefront Retreat. This gorgeous Scandinavian-style home is built directly into the grass, making it a cozy yet relaxing retreat, comfortably sleeping 6 with 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a fire pit, lake views, and so much more. So let's go take a look inside. The entrance of this home is so grand. You pass through these beautiful antique style Spanish doors to this open courtyard area that feels very much like a greenhouse. In this courtyard, the ceiling is completely covered in glass and you have beautiful roses. It just feels like a fairy tale. From the courtyard, you enter through this door into our minimalistic Scandinavian living room. And the first thing you're gonna notice for sure are the floor-to-ceiling windows looking at that private 12-acre lake. And we have tons of fun activities for you to do outside. I'm gonna get into that a little bit later, but let's talk about this living room. It's so chic, it's so minimalistic. I love how they use different natural tones. We have everything you need to entertain yourself in this room. Of course, a high-end TV right here, which is great for movie watching. This is an amazing space to hang out with a large group, with your whole family. And then right in the corner, we have a piano. Now, as you look out this window, you're gonna notice we have a little patio for you where you can dine al fresco. Let's go check it out. This patio is one of my favorite places to hang out in the summer, but it's really good year-round because we actually have a hidden screen door right here, so you can just open that up when you would like, or you can close this door for your convenience. And then we have a beautiful wooden table that comfortably sits 6. There's a little coffee area where you can relax and enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning, a book in the evening. And then right over here, we actually have a pizza oven, which is so fun just to make your own pizza. You can eat it al fresco in this area or inside, depending on your preferences. And then on this side, we actually have a hammock, which is great for relaxing. And in the evening, one of my favorite things to do with my family is just make some s'mores right down there with the fire pit and those beautiful views again. It is just the best way to end the day. And then over to the left side of the patio, you actually can see your own private little dock. And we have everything you need to have fun on the lake here. You'll find that in the garage. There's kayaks, there's boats. It's just absolutely peaceful and lovely. And I just love waking up in the morning, seeing the wildlife. We've seen all different types of animals here. And if you head down this way a bit more, you actually have an entrance to our kitchen. You can get to the kitchen from the patio or walking right through the living room. And you're met with this beautiful marble stone dining table that comfortably sits 8 people looking right at that beautiful lake view. It's absolutely stunning, a great way to dine. And while you're dining here, we have super high-end dishware and glassware for your use, all in the kitchen, but we're gonna get to the kitchen in a moment. It's gorgeous. And if you have little ones like me, you're in luck because most Wanders come with all of the things you need to help those little ones enjoy their meal, like high chairs, kids dishware, glassware, and more. We even have cribs and toys. Downstairs, there's a wide selection of toys, which makes it so much easier as a parent or one taking care of little ones. You don't have to pack all that stuff. We have it for you. And then right in this corner, we have a lovely little reading nook. And one of the things that I absolutely adore about all of the chairs in this room, including the living room, is they are all swivel chairs. So you can turn right around and enjoy that gorgeous view of the lake while having a nice drink, reading a book, or you can join the conversation on this side. Very convenient. And then over on this side is our kitchen. I am absolutely obsessed with this sleek, modern kitchen with this beautiful rustic table right in the center, which is great for prepping a meal. You also have 2 lovely bar stools right on this side. I'm in love with this kitchen. I wish it was in my own home. This stove is beautiful. It's a La Cornue and it's just elegantly placed here, matching that rustic tone. It almost has a farmhouse feel with modern interpretations. The sleek white cabinetry has everything you need to prep a super high-end meal, from high-quality knives, dishware, pots, literally anything. They got blenders. We have you covered when you're making a meal here. Or we can arrange a private chef to do it for you. I've actually done that in a Wander home, and it's a lovely experience. I highly recommend it, especially for special occasions. I did it for a bachelorette and it was fantastic. Now in this kitchen, there's nothing better than just prepping a meal and looking at the view. You don't only get that natural light coming from the windows here, there's also a beautiful skylight right above, bringing that sunlight in. So the whole house has this airy feel that makes you feel like you're one with nature. So around the corner from the kitchen, you have a separate area that is a combination between a wet bar and an entranceway to the garage. You can park your car right in there. It's a 2-car garage, so there's plenty of room for everyone in your group. And this wet bar is great if you're a wine lover, because we have a wine fridge right here and there are cocktail glasses right here. And then if we go down this way more, you have a bathroom for your convenience. This is a full bath with a shower. And one of the standout things of this bathroom is the tiling on the ground. It's this black and white chic design. Let's check out the bedroom on this floor. There's 1 bedroom on this floor and 2 on the lower level. Our bedroom on the main floor looks out to that lovely courtyard with the elegant pink roses. This bedroom has a queen bed and ample closet space. We also have a high-end flat screen TV for your use and a desk so you can get some work done. One of my favorite things about this room is the floor to ceiling mirror right here, great for checking your outfit. This is just overall a really relaxing room, and you're gonna find that the beds in all of our Wanders are extremely comfortable. We use the latest in sleep technology to make sure that you have the best night's sleep ever, and our sheets are super soft. And one of the things I absolutely love about all Wander bedrooms is that we have wireless cell phone chargers next to every single bed. So if you forget your phone charger, no need to stress, we got you covered. Now let's head downstairs to the 2 other bedrooms on our very unique spiral staircase. This spiral staircase stretches 3 floors, so when you enter the house, you're entering on the middle floor. Above us, this goes up to the roof, where you're gonna find additional seating that looks at the lake, and it's all grass, so you can actually have a picnic on your roof. How cool is that? We're gonna head downstairs though to where our 2 other bedrooms are and some additional rooms that you're going to love. At the bottom of the stairs, you are met with our sunroom, which is a great place for entertaining. The first thing that caught my eye when I walked into this room is definitely these slanted glass windows that are floor to ceiling looking out at that lake. It's right on the ground level too, so you are met with the grassy field that this beautiful home is perched on. This room has a ton of activities, from games for adults to toys for kids, and even a desk so you can get some work done right over here. And then in the corner, this closet isn't actually a closet. It is a half bath with laundry in there. And in the laundry room, you will find everything you need to do a load of laundry. Who wants to go home with dirty clothes? Not me, especially if you have little ones. And then next to the laundry room, you have another bedroom with a queen size bed, a TV, a full bathroom with a shower, wireless cell phone chargers next to the bed. And one of the unique elements of this room is there's actually a window that goes through here, which brings in that natural light from the sunroom. But if you want more darkness for sleeping, one of the convenient things about the sunroom is we have these curtains that are blackout shades. To the side of the sunroom, you have access to the courtyard area. That's where you can go directly to the bonfire pit or just gaze out at the lake view. It's very convenient if you want an easy way to check out nature. But right over here, we have the primary bedroom. The primary suite is oh so grand with ample space. You have this lovely king-size bed to fill the entire space. And of course, our beds here at Wander are going to be the most comfortable night's sleep you'll ever experience. Next to the beds, you have wireless cell phone chargers, lights for reading, and then across from the bed, you have a high-end flat screen TV, which is humongous. I mean, look at the length here. And a Sonos soundbar, which makes the watching experience experience fantastic, especially in this room. It just fills the whole space and it feels like you're in a movie theater. I love the minimalistic Scandinavian interior design here with touches of comfort like this beautiful oriental rug right on the floor, and the different lighting elements are really unique. This one right here is really unique because you just tap it and it turns on and off, and it makes it a great place for reading a book because it's so cozy. You can just enjoy that book or look out to those beautiful lake views. And then right over here is our primary bathroom, which is oh so beautiful. The primary bathroom is perfect for two because every piece of this bathroom is designed for that. From the dual rain shower heads to the dual handheld shower heads to the beautiful standalone tub, which is great for relaxing, or if you have kids, they love playing in this tub, to this dual sink, which is perfect for two. And I absolutely adore this unique floating trough design that they have here. And one of the other benefits of all Wander bathrooms is that we have the most high-end amenities for you, such as high-end shampoos, conditioners, body washes. They come with blow dryers and super plush towels. The towels are just so plush. It's the best way to cozy up after a lovely bath here. Now that's the interior of this home, but there are a few other things you should know about that will really enhance your trip. Ever feel overwhelmed with what to do during your trip? Don't worry, we have you covered. We have a travel guide that explores more on what to do, eat, and see in the area. However, if you need more specific recommendations, you can always text our concierge at the number shown on screen right here, and they can help you out anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Now, our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions, so whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelorette party, a milestone family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create unforgettable experiences. Visit wander.com/events to discover more about making your celebrations extraordinary. Thank you so much for joining me at Lakefront Retreat. Now let's go out and explore the surrounding area because there is a ton of things to do and see here year-round. From enjoying the lake in the summer to apple picking in the fall to skiing in the winter, it's truly endless here. You can check out our travel guide for more information on that, but in the meantime, we look forward to welcoming you here at Wander Lakefront Retreat. We'll see you soon. Bye.